In this video, we'll talk about assignment operators in Python. So there are a lot of assignment operators in Python. So the first one is the equal to assignment operator, using which we assign values to the variables normally. So a equals 5. This is the first example. So here we are assigning the value 5 to the variable a. This is what we know, right? This is something that we are already doing. Okay, and then I have just written a print statement to print the value, and then the next assignment operator is plus equals to. So plus and equals to, this is equivalent to a equals a plus 5. It means we are just summing up the value 5 to the previous existing value of a. So here the existing value of a is 5, so a will become 5 plus 5, 10. So this is equivalent to a plus 5, right? And then a minus equals to 5. Again, a equals a minus 5. This is equal to this. Then again, a multiply equals to 5. That means a equals a multiply 5. Similarly, a division equals to a equals a division 5. Except the first one, in all of the other assignment operators, we are just performing the particular operation on the previous value of the variable. Okay. So similarly, in modulus division, a equals a modulus 5. A equals, similarly in floor division, a equals a floor division 5. A exponentiation to the previous value of a. Similarly, we are doing this with almost everything. This is left shift, this is right shift, and similarly the other operations. So assignment operators are quite easy to understand. Let's just run it, and you can see the values. So a equals 5, it prints 5. Then a plus equals 5, that means 5 plus 5, 10. And then now the value of a is 10, then 10 minus 5, 5. And similarly, it goes on. So this is all about assignment operators.